Technology has advanced rapidly in recent years, becoming an essential part of our daily lives. From smartphones to artificial intelligence, it has transformed the way we work, communicate, and even relax. For instance, we can shop online, connect with friends through social media, and control our home devices with just a few taps on our phones. But is this a good thing or a bad thing? On the positive side, technology makes life more convenient and efficient. However, it also raises concerns about overdependence, privacy, and the loss of real-world connections. In many ways, technology is a double-edged sword. So, how exactly does technology impact our daily lives? To understand the impact of technology on our lives, let's first learn some key terms. Virtual world, virtual reality, VR. A computer-generated simulation of a three-dimensional environment. Example, VR headsets let you explore virtual worlds like you're really there. Augmented reality, AR. Technology that overlays digital information on the real world. Example, AR apps like Pokemon Go mix virtual characters with real locations. Avatar, a digital representation of a user in a virtual environment. Example, my avatar in the game looks just like me. Immersion, the feeling of being deeply engaged in a virtual experience. Example, the VR game is so realistic, it's easy to get lost in the immersion. Simulation, a virtual model or environment used for training or entertainment. Example, pilots use flight simulation to practice. Social media, influencer, a person who impacts others' opinions or behaviors on social platforms. Example, many influencers share their lives on Instagram. Algorithm, a system that determines what content users see on social media. Example, the algorithm keeps showing me ads for things I searched online. Viral, content that spreads rapidly across the internet. Example, this funny video went viral overnight. Engagement, interactions with social media posts like likes and comments. Example, this post got a lot of engagement from followers. Hashtag, a keyword or phrase preceded by the hash symbol to categorize content. Example, use relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Video games. Multiplayer, a game mode where multiple players interact in the same environment. Example, multiplayer games let you play with friends worldwide. Game mechanics, the rules and systems that shape how a game is played. Example, the game's mechanics are easy to learn but hard to master. Esports, competitive, organized video gaming events. Example, esports tournaments have millions of viewers online. Level up, progressing to a higher level or stage in a game. Example, I need to complete this mission to level up. In-game purchases, items or features bought with real money in a game. Example, many games offer in-game purchases for skins or upgrades. Remote work, telecommuting, working from a location other than the office using technology. Example, telecommuting is becoming more common in many industries. Video conferencing, virtual meetings using video and audio communication tools. Example, we have a weekly video conference to discuss progress. Collaboration tools, software that helps teams work together remotely. Example, tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams improve collaboration. Flexibility, the ability to adjust work hours and location. Example, flexibility is one of the biggest perks of remote work. Digital nomad, a person who works remotely while traveling. Example, digital nomads often work from cafes or co-working spaces. Next, let's see how technology impacts our lives through a fun and relatable conversation. At the coffee shop. Ugh, Lucas just texted. He's not coming. What? Why? He promised. He said he's busy. But I know he's home gaming. He even sent me a screenshot of his new high score, like it's an excuse. Classic Lucas. He's totally hooked on that new game, isn't he? Seriously, it's like he doesn't even care about real life anymore. I mean, gaming's fun, but come on, coffee with friends versus staring at a screen? I know, right? It's not just Lucas. I feel like more and more people are glued to their screens, whether it's games, social media, or whatever. Yeah. And don't get me started on social media. It's supposed to connect people, but honestly, I think it's doing the opposite. When was the last time we all had a proper face-to-face hangout? Good point. And it's not just about hanging out. Have you noticed how hard it is to focus on anything these days? I saw this study that said all those tiny bits of online info, like tweets and short videos, are messing with our attention spans. I believe it. Sometimes I start reading an article, but halfway through, I switch to scrolling Instagram. It's like I can't even finish a single thought. Exactly. And it's not just adults. Kids are the same. I heard schools are saying students read way less than they used to. They'd rather watch a TikTok summary than actually open a book. That's so sad. Remember when we used to spend entire afternoons at the library? Yeah, now it's like, what's a library? And don't even get me started on the health stuff. My eyes are always tired from staring at screens. And I'm pretty sure my posture is permanently ruined. Same. I swear we're all going to end up as hunched over screen zombies. You know, maybe we should drag Lucas out for a hike or something next time. Get some fresh air, real conversations, actual sunlight. Good luck with that. Unless there's Wi-Fi in the woods, he's not coming. True, but hey, we can always bribe him with snacks. Deal. And in the meantime, let's at least enjoy some tech-free time ourselves. Agreed. Phones down, coffee up. Cheers! Cheers! Okay, that's all for today's practicing. Hope you enjoy it. Bye for now.